Augustine of Hippo, de Doctrina Christiana, Episode 6. Quidam verdro cum intellectis uti voluerderent conatique fuerderent, scripturdras divinas secundum haec praecepta tractardere, neque valuerderent aperdridere atque explicardere quodcupiunt, inanater me labordrasse arbitrabuntur, et quia ipsi non adjuvabuntur hoc operdere, nullum adjuardere posse caensebunt. Augustine is now going to explain the second group of his critics, whom he called detractores. But there are certain persons that, although cum they want to use the things they have understood intellectis, and they have tried conatique fuerderent to interpret, that's tractar, to handle the sacred scriptures according to these principles, neque valuerderent, and they are not able to explain, aperdridere, and to expound that thing that they desire. Because of all of that, inanater me labordrasse arbitrabuntur, they will think, arbitrabuntur, that I have done my labor, I have worked, me labordrasse, to no purpose, inanater. Now, because that portion is fairly complicated, let's analyze it before we look at the very end of the sentence. We start with quidam in the masculine plural and nominative. This is the subject. But certain persons, although, and I'm taking cum here as concessive with valuerent and with fuerent, as well as with this valuerent, and then the quod cupiunt here is subordinate. Although they wanted, valuerent, this is a perfect subjunctive, although they wanted to employ or to make use of, this is uti, that is the infinitive of the deponent verb utor. It takes the ablative. So intellectis is going to be neuter plural and ablative with uti here, and it is a substantive, that is adjective used as noun. Although they wanted to make use of the things they have understood, and, that's the que, they have tried, conati fuerent. Conati is from the deponent verb, first conjugation, conor, conari, like so, and they have tried. Now, what have they tried? We need to clear the slate. They have tried, conati fuerent, they have tried to treat, tractare, scripturas divinas, to handle the sacred scriptures. So notice how valuerent patterns with this infinitive, conati fuerent patterns with this infinitive. The object of tractare is scripturas divinas, feminine plural, accusative. They have tried to handle the sacred scriptures, the divine scriptures, secundum, here's the preposition, with the accusative, haec praecepta, in the neuter plural accusative, according to these principles. And they were not able, neque valuerent, to explain, aperire, and to expound, explicare, what they want to, quod cupiunt. So here we have two infinitives, aperire and explicare, patterning with the second instance, well, actually, the first instance of valuerent. Notice valuerent and valuerent, very, very similar, and there is a play on words here. So because all of that is true, then we get the main verb, arbitrabuntur. They will think, and this is from the first conjugation deponent verb, arbitror, arbitrari, like so. They will think, me labordrasse, that I have done my labor, I have worked. Laboresse, is a perfect infinitive active from the first conjugation verb laboro, and the non-syncopated form, the full form, would be like this, labordravisse. But what has been dropped out is this syllable, so it is simply labordrasse. They will think that I, masculine singular accusative, accusatives are subjects of infinitives typically, that I have labored, done my work, inanater, to no avail, to no purpose, inanater. So the quidam is part of this cum clause, comes before it. It's the subject of valuerent, of conati fuerent, and of valuerent, with the quod cupiunt, then the main verb, arbitrabuntur. So the kernel of the sentence, the nut, the nux, as it were, the nut or the core of the sentence, is simply from inanater through arbitrabuntur. This portion here, again, from inanater through arbitrabuntur, that's the main sentence. All of this first part is modification. Now we go on to the end. And because those very persons, ipsi, were not helped, or future tense, because they themselves will not be helped, hoc opera, by this work of mine, De Doctrina Christiana, they will think, cainsebunt, that nobody nullum can be helped, adjuare posse. So let's briefly see how this second part works. We have the subordinate clause, quia, the subordinating conjunction, because they themselves, ipsi, masculine plural nominative, those persons previously described, because they themselves will not be aided, adjuabuntur, third plural, future, indicative, and passive, from the first conjugation verb adjuo, adjuare, like so, because they will not be aided, hoc opere, neuter singular, ablative of instrument, the opus, the work, then they will think, cainsebunt, third plural, future, indicative, active, they will think, second conjugation verb, cainseo, cansere, that nobody, nullum, masculine, singular, and accusative, subject of posse, that nobody can be helped. And adjuare here, of course, is a present infinitive in the passive voice. Thank you so much for watching this free video. I hope that you learned a lot about the classical languages and advanced your knowledge and enjoyment. You can help us keep going with this instruction if you like this video and subscribe to the channel. We've had hundreds of thousands of views in the last 9 years, and we would really like to grow our number of subscribers. If you hit the little bell, you will be notified every time we release a brand new free instructional video. You can also check out one of my Latin or Greek courses at LatinPerDiem.com or mossmethod.com. Check the links if you'd like to study Latin and Greek with me directly. So keep learning, and vale tote omnes.